Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm going to show you what I took from Chanel Holiday Makeup Collection. My message in this review is about not just to show you the products to decide if it's good for you or not, but also if there is something that you like, even a small thing that in this period can make you happier, take it. So if you have the possibility, but if there's something that you desire and you're thinking, but I will put it or not because I won't go anywhere, I want to suggest you to take it because it's just a gift for yourself, and in these difficult times we need a little gift for ourselves. So I decided to take a lipstick from Rouge Allure collection, and it's a Poupée d'Or. It is the lipstick that I'm wearing. It's just so beautiful. I really love this shade because it's a very intense violet red with little gold sparkles that really you can catch them, but you see this luminosity of this lipstick and it doesn't move. Maybe it won't last as a velvet lipstick, but it's so beautiful. A great shade that I couldn't resist. So if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. I want to show you the lipstick, and there is a second part of the video when I made this look. So I don't know if you can catch these little gold sparkles. They are very tiny. This is the shade on my lips. This is the color. So you see it's a very intense and luminous red with violet undertones. And I really love this kind of shades. I think they are so beautiful. You know, I love cool lipsticks and this is so beautiful. This is the packaging. That's very elegant. And then I took one of the mono eyeshadow. I know mono are more expensive than a palette, and many of you desired to have a holiday palette, and I'm one of those, I think. But mono eyeshadows have always a particular shade that's very difficult to find in a palette. And in this case I decided to go for Or Blanc. I just use it so the pattern is ruined, but the color is this beautiful cool gold shade. So since it is a light gold shade, it has a little bit of green khaki reflection. So I'm going to swatch it for you, but it's very hard to catch because this color, you see, this is on my finger. Once you apply, it's really just a reflection. So I don't know if you can see it. Cool gold, platinum, quite platinum. And I'm wearing now mixed with a gold, but in the second part of the video you can see it also when I apply it by itself. So I think that these two shades are very beautiful because they both have these cool undertones, and I really wanted to take something different from the gold, even if the gold mono eyeshadow looks so beautiful. But I already had this gold in the Quintessence palette, and I don't use gold so much because I don't think it flatters my skin, and so I decided to take something that I could use also as an highlighter, something a little bit versatile, so just also as a touch to enhance my makeup, or just to use it by itself with an eyeliner. I'm waiting also for your holiday palette. I took the one with gold shades, so if you're interested, maybe also in a comparison I could make it, because I think that the shade stories from Chanel and this palette from Dior are quite similar, with the gold, the brown and this cool gold. If you're interested in this look and you want to see this product in action, there is the second part of the video. So let's start applying our blanc number 926, and this is the packaging. So let's remove the plastic cover. So pretty. And on my eyelids I don't have any primer now, so I want to try to apply this first with a sponge and then with my finger. The shade is very beautiful, and I really expected a shade like this. So subtle. So beautiful to add a little touch, an elegant touch of gold, because it's a very cool gold, and I want to try to apply with my finger on the other eyes to see the effect, and I think the effect is similar also with a sponge. So I think the right way to apply this eyeshadow is with a sponge, definitely. You know, I really don't care to ruin the pattern, because I love to use makeup, so even if it's so beautiful, and it's not the reason why I bought the eyeshadow, not for the packaging, not for the printing. I really loved this shade, and I think it's such a fab shade. I took also a little bit of water, and I want to try to apply wet, and it became a little more metallic with wet sponge. I think I literally destroyed the pattern using wet applicator, but this is supposed to be. So I was afraid it could turn too light, but it's not so, so it's also quite visible by itself, you see. Now let's add a little touch of brown from Quintessence palette to add more dimension. I want to add also a little touch of gold from Quintessence palette. I just add this gold touch in the inner center. Now let's move to eyeliner. When you use gold, you have to define your eyes a little bit more to not look older. So I take the brown, the flat brush, and I go under a little bit. I take the contour clear from Chanel. I add a little bit of shadow here, or blanc, and I go here. blush in Caress from Chanel. And now it's time to show you this beautiful shade in Poupée d'Or. It's a Rouge Allure number 137. So the color was so beautiful just to see on the website. I couldn't resist, and now I'm gonna try. It was such a beautiful shade. And I think you don't really see a real glitter, but you see this luminous effect. You can catch them maybe a little bit in the lipstick, but really you don't feel them on your lips. And also I think you don't see a real glitter. It's also beautiful to use it by itself, maybe just as a little stain if you don't want this vampy look. I don't know how much it could last. I think it's a general problem of luminous lipstick, so the duration is something not expected. When you have finished your look, you can take a little bit of brown and go here to intensify. I add a touch also of Brune Agape in the corner here. So I didn't buy the illuminating blush, so I'm going to apply this Le Beige Illuminating Fluid. This is Pearly Glow and it's from Summer Collection. I take just a little bit here and here. It's very subtle as an highlighter, so I use it also underneath with my foundation, so I already applied a little touch. Because when you're wearing gold on the eyes, maybe you don't wanna look too much gold, so I suggest you to use a neutral highlighter like this one. So this is my finished look. So I hope this video could be helpful for you. If it's so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me also on Instagram. See you soon. Bye!